Okay, second round, same as the first. Hopefully not worse. Hopefully better. Last video I posted, you couldn't hear me, so I'm going to try this again. Um, so Beverly posted, I would like to use option 2 for my essay 3 exercise. I went to the extra credit module D2L and couldn't find the table. Perhaps I misread something in your directions. Can you kindly clarify the location? So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to come up here to course materials and I'm going to go to content. And in here on week 2, and you'll see it in other weeks as well, and this was last week. Well, here, I'll do it this week, just so to make sure that I'm clear. So coming down here, think about starting. It's talking about essay 3 data collection. So I'm going to click here on data collection. And here is talking about option 1, where you can do data collection based on a topic that you make up. Or option 2, you can do essay 3 data collection grade options database. Okay. So, and it says that it's available in the extra credit. So basically, what this option is you're going to be collecting data about activities that you do in this class. Okay. So to get there, it says, once again, that it's in the extra credit module in D2L. So to find it, we'll go up here to table of contents, and then we'll come down here, and it said it was in the extra credit module. So we'll click here on extra credit, and we'll go up here, and we'll find this. Now, this right here is the same file that we just looked at in week 2, and you will find this file available in a number of weeks because it will be there to remind you each week that you need to be working on this project of data collection and up until it's due. And then the week that it's due, it will be in the checklist of things that are due at the end of the week. Anyway, right here is essay 3 data collection grade outcomes. So this is the database that this assignment is talking about for option 2. So it's option 2 in here. So you can do option 1 of your own data collection, or you can do option 2. And in option 2, you would do data collection based on this database. And so you can click on it and then click on download, and it'll open the Access database automatically to where you can enter this data. Now, many databases that you download, you'll see this enable content. You'll also see it in Word and Excel. It's and PowerPoint too sometimes. It's just a protection to make sure that no viruses are being downloaded accidentally from a particular data source, whether it's a file from Excel, Word, Access, whatever. So you'll see this in a number of different Access databases that you open, and you can just click on enable content. Okay. Anyway, back to this data collection option. So here you can enter your data, and so basically what you're doing is you're entering data about each assignment that you are assigned to do, and the list is right here. You can just pick whatever's in the list, and then you enter the minutes that you spent, and then you put in the grade percentage that you received and if you completed it or not, and then you want to rate your comprehension of that particular assignment as you felt. Okay? And so you would enter all of the data for each assignment that you do in this class, all the way up through the last the week that this assignment is due. If you want the extra credit, then you would hand this in on the date that it's due in the week. I believe it's like in the first week in April. Don't quote me on this, but I think it's the first week in April it's due. But for the extra credit, then what you would do is you would continue. After you've handed it in the first time, you would continue to do this data collection all the way through the end of the semester, and you would hand in this database a second time with all of the rest of the assignments entered in here, and then I would give you a grade and extra credit. So anyway, hopefully that explains where to find it and how to do this assignment. If not, please post your questions in the discussion board. Thanks.